You know what it means.
I know what it means.
It's not like I have a choice. I'm cool, but I'm not like...
Do you want me to do this?
No, oh my gosh.
You're fun. Very foreboding.
Yeah, actually, maybe I do want you to hold me as I cry.
Well, this is awkward.
Yeah, I mean, what are you gonna do?
Is that what you want?
Yes.
Is that what you really want?
Yes.
It ain't no thing.
I think it is a thing. We have to go in like
I'm ready.
10 minutes. No, you do need to get ready.
No, I'm ready.